What if I told you that you can start a Digistore24 affiliate marketing for beginners business without your own products to sell, without a website, and without any marketing experience? Stick around because in this video, we're going to review everything you need to know to be a successful affiliate marketer. Let's get into the video right now. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where individuals earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. In today's digital age, affiliate marketing has become increasingly relevant, offering a flexible way to generate income from anywhere in the world. With the rise of e-commerce and online shopping, more businesses are looking for affiliates to help them reach a wider audience. Let's dive into the video right now. We aim to provide you with a comprehensive introduction to affiliate marketing, specifically focusing on Digistore24, a popular platform that connects affiliates with a variety of products to promote. You can expect to learn the basics of how affiliate marketing works, the benefits of joining Digistore24, and practical tips to get started on your affiliate journey. Choosing the right platform is crucial for your success in affiliate marketing. Digistore24 stands out due to its user-friendly interface, a wide range of products, and reliable payment options. By selecting a platform like Digistore24, you can access valuable resources and support that will help you maximize your earning potential. So, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your existing affiliate marketing skills, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to thrive in the world of online marketing. The process begins when an affiliate partners with a merchant and receives a unique affiliate link. This link tracks the traffic and sales that the affiliate drives to the merchant's website. When a customer clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission, which can vary based on the product and the agreement with the merchant. One of the most appealing aspects of affiliate marketing is its potential for passive income. Once an affiliate sets up their marketing strategies, whether through blogs, social media, or email campaigns, they can continue to earn commissions on sales without actively working on those promotions. This means that affiliates can generate income even while they sleep, making it an attractive option for those looking to build a sustainable revenue stream. Additionally, affiliate marketing offers remarkable flexibility and scalability. Affiliates can choose the products they want to promote, allowing them to align their marketing efforts with their interests and expertise. This adaptability means that individuals can start small and gradually expand their affiliate marketing business as they gain experience and confidence. With the right strategies and dedication, affiliates can scale their efforts, reaching a broader audience and increasing their earning potential over time. Overall, affiliate marketing presents a unique opportunity for anyone looking to enter the world of online business. Engaging in affiliate marketing comes with a multitude of benefits that make it an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. One of the most significant advantages is the low startup costs compared to traditional businesses. Unlike brick-and-mortar stores that require substantial investments in inventory, rent, and utilities, affiliate marketing allows you to start with minimal financial commitment. You can begin promoting products using free platforms like social media or blogging, making it accessible for anyone looking to enter the online business world. Another key benefit of affiliate marketing is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to work from anywhere, whether it's from the comfort of your home, a coffee shop, or while traveling. This flexibility extends to your schedule as well. You can set your own hours and work at your own pace. This is particularly appealing for those who want to balance work with other commitments, such as family or education. Moreover, affiliate marketing has the potential for high returns, especially when you implement the right strategies. By selecting high-quality products, targeting the right audience, and utilizing effective marketing techniques, you can significantly increase your earning potential. Many successful affiliates earn substantial commissions, sometimes even reaching six figures annually. With dedication and the right approach, the financial rewards can be impressive, making affiliate marketing a viable option for those seeking to create a profitable online business. Overall, the combination of low startup costs, flexibility, and high earning potential makes affiliate marketing an enticing opportunity for many. When it comes to affiliate marketing platforms, Digistore24 stands out for several compelling reasons that make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced marketers. One of the key advantages of using Digistore24 is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for newcomers to navigate and understand. Whether you're setting up your account, selecting products to promote, or tracking your performance, the intuitive layout ensures that you can get started quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Another significant benefit of Digistore24 is the wide range of products available for promotion. The platform hosts a diverse selection of digital and physical products across various niches, from health and wellness to online courses and software. This variety allows affiliates to choose products that align with their interests and target audience, increasing the likelihood of successful promotions. With so many options at your fingertips, you can easily find products that resonate with your audience and maximize your earning potential. Additionally, Digistore24 offers a reliable payment system that ensures affiliates receive their commissions on time. The platform supports multiple payment methods, making it convenient for affiliates worldwide. Furthermore, Digistore24 provides excellent support for its affiliates, offering resources, tutorials, and a dedicated support team to assist with any questions or challenges. This combination of user-friendliness, product variety, and dependable support makes Digistore24 an ideal platform for anyone looking to succeed in affiliate marketing. If you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing with Digistore24, getting started is a straightforward process. First, you'll need to register on the platform. Simply visit the Digistore24 website and click on the Register button. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and payment details. Once you've completed the registration form, you'll receive a confirmation email. After verifying your account, you can log in and access the dashboard, where you'll find all the tools you need to begin your affiliate journey. Next, it's time to choose the products you want to promote. Digistore24 offers a wide range of products across various niches, so it's essential to select items that align with your interests and target audience. Consider what topics you are passionate about and who your ideal customers are. By focusing on a specific niche, you can tailor your marketing efforts and create more effective promotions that resonate with your audience. Once you've selected your products, the next step is to create quality content to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This could include blog posts, social media updates, videos, or email newsletters. High-quality content not only attracts potential customers, but also builds trust and credibility. Make sure to provide valuable information, engage your audience, and include clear calls to action that encourage them to click on your affiliate links. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully promoting products on Digistore24 and earning commissions as an affiliate marketer. Now, we will review some important tips for success in affiliate marketing. Succeeding in affiliate marketing requires a strategic approach and consistent effort. One of the most effective tips is to build an email list. An email list allows you to nurture leads and maintain direct communication with your audience. By offering valuable content, exclusive promotions, or free resources, you can encourage visitors to subscribe. Once you have a list, you can send targeted emails that promote your affiliate products, driving sales and fostering a loyal customer base. Another crucial aspect of affiliate marketing is utilizing social media platforms for promotion. Social media offers a vast audience and the opportunity to engage with potential customers in real time. Choose platforms that align with your target audience, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Share engaging content such as product reviews, tutorials, or testimonials, and include your affiliate links. Consistent posting and interaction with your followers can help build trust and increase your chances of conversions. Lastly, tracking your performance and optimizing your strategies is essential for long-term success. Use analytics tools to monitor key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall sales. By understanding what works and what doesn't, you can make informed decisions to refine your marketing efforts. Experiment with different approaches, such as varying your content types or adjusting your promotional tactics, to see what resonates best with your audience. By implementing these actionable tips, you can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts and increase your chances of achieving significant success in this dynamic field. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of affiliate marketing and the advantages of using Digistore24 as your platform of choice. We discussed how affiliate marketing offers low startup costs, flexibility, and the potential for passive income, making it an appealing option for anyone looking to earn money online. Additionally, we highlighted the user-friendly interface of Digistore24, the wide range of products available for promotion, and the reliable payment system that supports affiliates in their journey. Key takeaways to remember include the importance of selecting products that align with your niche and audience, building an email list to nurture leads, and utilizing social media for effective promotion. Tracking your performance and optimizing your strategies will also play a crucial role in your success as an affiliate marketer. As you embark on your Digistore24 affiliate marketing for beginners journey, Keep these insights in mind to maximize your potential. Subscribe to the channel so we can help you with your affiliate marketing endeavors. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.